Hello everyone, welcome to Sam Science View channel. In today's video, we are going to listen to the 10 most amazing facts in the field of science. Before going into the video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can get notifications about my upcoming videos. Please watch this entire video. Now, let's get into the video. Number 1. Laser can get trapped in water. A cool thing called total internal reflection is applied when pointing a laser beam through a container of water. The total internal reflection is the complete reflection of a light ray reaching an interface with a less dense medium when the angle of incidence exceeds the critical angle, as you can see in the picture. When light travels through water, it is slowed down by the heavier particles in water. Astonishing fact. Number 2. Earth's oxygen is produced by the ocean. Have you ever stopped to think where oxygen comes from? Your first thought may be rainforest, but its marine organisms take the weight. Scientists estimate that 50 to 80% of Earth's oxygen production comes from oceans. Planktons, seaweeds, and other photosynthesizers produce over half of the world's oxygen. Amazing, isn't it? Number 3. Soil is alive and well. According to the reports said by the US Department of Agriculture, in just 1 teaspoon of soil, there are more microorganisms than people on the planet. Millions of species and billions of organisms like bacteria, algae, microscopic insects, earthworms, beetles, ants, mites, fungi, and many more represent the greatest concentration of biomass anywhere on the planet. Awesome. Number 4. Animals use Earth's magnetic field for orientation. According to the US Geological Survey, there is an evidence that some animals like sharks, dolphins, sea turtles, and salmon have the ability to sense the Earth's magnetic field and to use this sense for navigation. Nature is wonderful, isn't it? Number 5. Only two letters don't appear in the periodic table. In chemistry, the elements are arranged in a shelf like pattern called periodic table. Here, the two letters J and Q don't appear anywhere. You can check here. Number 6. Don't worry, we have a lot of DNA. Scientists predict that there are over 3 billion base pairs of DNA in human genes and over 25,000 genes in the human genome. An entire copy of the genome exists in each of the 10 trillion cells in the human body. If all of that DNA were lined up, it would cover the distance between the Earth and the Sun 100 times. That is nearly 14,870 million kilometers. Too strange to imagine, isn't it? Number 7. Hot water freezes faster than cold water, and cold water heats up faster than hot water. This fact seems counterintuitive, but it's called the Wempa effect, named after a Tanzanian student, Erasto Wempa, who told his teacher that a hot mixture of ice cream froze faster than a cold one. Scientists now believe that this is because of the velocities of water particles that have a specific disposition while they are hot. that allow them to freeze more readily. If proven correct, this finding could also have implications in daily life like cooling down electronic devices. In contrast, the researchers who investigated the cause of Vempa effect made the discovery of cold water heating up faster than hot water. They unsurprisingly named the phenomenon as the inverse Vemba effect. Cool, isn't it? Number 8. Presence of bumps in basketball. In a basketball, little bumps are found on its surface called beveling. Adding these bumps was all about friction. When forces collide, friction naturally slows things down over time, and the more points of contact an object has with another surface, the more friction comes into play. Hence, these bumps basically increase the surface area of the ball and the amount of friction acting on it. This makes the pebbled ball ideal for a player to grip, pass quickly, and dribble without fear that the ball will slip away into a random direction. It's a realistic fact. You can try it. Number 9. Solar flares are scarily powerful. First, flares were observed on the Sun by Richard Christopher Carrington and independently by Richard Hodgson in 1859. Each solar flare released energy equivalent of 100 megaton atom bombs exploding all at once. But thanks to the Almighty that Earth's atmosphere protects us from sun's radiation. The universe is unbelievable and majestic. Number 10. You can make balls fly. If you spin a ball, when you drop it, it will fly through the air as it falls. This is called the Magnus effect, named after the German physicist Heinrich Gustav Magnus, and it makes playing certain ball games like tennis, cricket, baseball, football, volleyball, etc. as a whole lot easier with top spin and backspin. This effect depends on the speed of rotation. That's body. Okay, viewers, that's it for today's video. Hope so you might have learned some scientific information out of this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment below. Until then, see you again in the next video with some other science related facts. Goodbye.